Good afternoon. Me name is illustrious disciple of an angel, Neil Leslie Gilbert Williams Jackson Avenue. I'm messaging today about corruption. I'm messaging today on this post or these posts about paper statements. That's banking statements and accounting statements, namely for business, but this could affect personal too. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd day of the month of May, year AD 2024, and the time now is 13:25 hours post meridian. I was just reciting, and this is available on my security camera, about my current issue with my former telecommunications providers, BT. I was thinking about a couple of transactions which I checked at least twice. It was more than twice, looking for the transactions to be listed and inputted on my statement of the statement of account, my banking statement, checked against the statement of account, and I couldn't find paid off the banking statement registered on the statement of account. Now, I put this to the Ombudsman, and they said he should talk to BT about it, and they closed my case because I rejected their answer that they haven't done anything wrong, which effectively ignores what I've told them. But effectively, I put the information to an advisor via the WhatsApp messaging service this morning. And the two transactions I found, I don't know if they're duplicated because I'm going to have another check after my lunch. But it appears as though the statement of account was different from the original that I provided, and it incorporates transactions that I couldn't find from the banking statement. So, of course, perhaps I done something wrong, or the statement has been redone. This could be a banking thing, and it could also be a BT thing, as the statements, which is my point, if you just hear me very carefully, the statements of which I've used to verify or unverify the information I'm questioning aren't paper hard copies. They are digital data files. So effectively, there's nothing that I've had via the paper, like a paper bill, that I can show against this. So also, the primary thing is that the banking statement that I've used has been taken from the screen that I view on the internet banking and printed off or downloaded, which isn't a hard paper copy. So I was thinking earlier, I was reciting this morning, I thought that perhaps this is a file which can be amended, and I don't know how I can prove this. So effectively, I felt that we are pre-paper, where paper was invented for verification purposes, for physical form, for the substance of verification, as people can and have stated things which aren't true and can be playful, but paper can verify your something. So as a businessman of two companies, I've decided to ensure that I have paper statements for accounts, telecommunications, everything. And the reason why is because I have to keep records for up to 6 years. It is a legal requirement. And I recited earlier that if I was to receive a data file copy of transactions which weren't my hard substance file document and use those as some form of evidence from an investigation where I could be responsible for allegedly accused of some kind of fraud or anything else to do with a transaction being there or not there, I wouldn't have nothing of my own that has physically come through the door letterbox to verify that it is true or untrue. And of course, a criminal will probably move the road to effectively make their crime effective, their fraud or whatever that may be effective. Now, this isn't necessarily a verified definite thing, but I'm thinking, well, I checked at least twice to ensure that I didn't and hadn't made a mistake with my checking. And at the time, I think earlier this year, there wasn't a mistake. That was prior to my communication with the communications ombudsman, which I think perhaps are useless. They waste of time, I don't know. But I felt that maybe a false file, which is a data file and not a hard file, has been inputted, which of course will not be investigated unless it reaches a higher law office. So effectively that is unlikely, and I cannot verify with a substance paper hard copy that it's been changed or different. However, it has the information has altered or changed since. So has someone, as I suspected in the previous time, been entering, prior to my alarm being installed and the cameras being installed, has someone had access and fitted the system so that they can obtain money and perhaps steal? Well, who's to know? How could anyone know? So I would say that the substance paper copy, which should be verified with the company information, which I thought perhaps I'll send a copy periodically, or at least when they change the statement, to the data protection officer, to just ensure that the information that I've been sent by the company is the correct information and not a fraudulent document. Anyhow, I wish you all a lawful, obedient wellness. Goodbye.